Welcome to Maths Gym, and in this episode of problem solving, we will take a look at again wire rebending problem. Here, a wire is bent into a shape of circle, then into a square. Let's take a look at what the problem states. The question says Shajli took a wire of length 44 centimeters and bent it into a shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle and also find its area. If the same wire is bent into a shape of square, what will be the length of each of its sides, and which figure encloses more area, circle or square? And you have been advised to take pi as 22/7, so we will take the same value. Let's take a look at the solution. So we have been given length of wire is equal to 44 centimeters. This wire is bent into a circle, which means length of wire will be equal to circumference of the circle. In other shapes we call it as perimeter of the shape. Here the perimeter of a circle is basically equal to circumference of the circle, and we do not know what is the radius of the circle, so let us assume that the radius of the circle is r, and now we know the formula for circumference. It is 2 pi r, and all of you know that value of pi we will use in this particular problem as 22/7, and somewhere you might use as 3.14. From equation 1, which you have seen, a length of wire which is equal to circumference of circle, we get 44, which is the length of wire, is equal to 2 pi r. Now we can also write commute 2 pi r onto the left hand side and 44 into the right hand side. So 2 pi r is equal to 44. So r is equal to 44 upon 2 pi, and r is equal to 44 upon 2 into, now we substitute the value of pi, which is 22/7, so it comes into the denominator. And finally, how it looks at, r is equal to 44 into 7 upon 2 into 22, and this finally gives you the radius of the circle as 7 centimeters. So that's our first part of the uh, solution. Now this wire is rebent into a square, and we need to find the side of the square, and which means because the same wire has been rebent into a square, perimeter of a square is equal to length of the wire. So we do not know the edge of the square, so let us assume that the edge or the side of the square is x centimeters. We also know that the perimeter of square is 4 into side, so it's going to be 4x is equal to 44, because side is having the length of x, so 4 times x gives us the length of the wire or the perimeter. So x is equal to 44 by 11, 44 by 4, so which is equal to 11 centimeter. Now the second part of the question, area of square. So area of square we know is equal to side square, which is basically side into side, and here we have got the length of the side of the square as 11, so it's 11 into 11 becomes 121 centimeters square. Now let's calculate the area of circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, that's the formula, and we know the value of r, which is 7 centimeters, so it's going to be 22/7 into 7 square. So for the ease of calculation, 22/7 into 7 into 7, and this 7 knocks off. What you get is 22 into 7. Finally the answer is 154 centimeters square, and when you compare, we find that area of circle encloses more area than the square. That's all. Thank you very much. You may write to us on WhatsApp. You may write to us on our email ID, which is mathsgym2020 at gmail.com. Thank you.